Hey everybody, welcome to Wondering Wednesday. Today is our segment, What's in the Box? So we have our January OwlCrate Jr. here. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, so if you remember from last time, the theme for January was inner magic. So here's our little booklet here that tells us a little bit about what is inside the box, along a little bit more about the author and all those other cool things that these little booklets have. So inner magic. We've got our confetti, that's what I'm going to call it. Okay. There's something that smells really nice in here. I wish there was some smell-o-vision. And it's probably this here. This is a bubble bar, and it looks like it's from Avatar. So it's a water element bubble bar. Very cool. It smells nice. Okay. Then we have some, this is tea. So this is Lenora's Magical Mischief Blend. So there's some tea in here. It is caramel, vanilla, and cinnamon. That sounds pretty good. I don't really like tea. Okay. Oh, then we've got some rainbow gel pens in here. They come with this cute little carrying case. That's very nice. I like this. This is a You Are Awesome journal. So this looks like something that would be really nice about writing some stuff in here to make you feel good about yourself because you are awesome. This might make its way into the giveaway box that if you stay watching until the very end of this video, you'll see who won it. So there we go. And finally, we are here. Oh, hold on. There's other stuff in here. What is this? Okay, let me grab everything in here. What is this first? Looks like we got a little bit of a poster. It says, "Don't be scared, my little one. The clouds roll in and hide the sun, but deep within our true light shines, keeps us safe in darker times." I might put this one up in my classroom later. Okay, and finally, we've got our book here. This is Murray and the Night Brothers. I really like this cover. This looks like sort of a, well, the theme's inner magic, so I'm going to assume this is a fantasy type of book here. Yay, it's time for our monthly struggle of opening the book. Okay. We've got our normal stuff in here. We've got our signed book plate that I'll put right up in the front. Like that. Our monthly sticker. A bookmark. And then our note from the author. My goodness, this looks handwritten. Very cool. It says, "Hello there. I'm so excited for you to meet Ms.Murray Peters. In this story, she'll discover a magical hidden world, but more importantly, she'll also discover her inner strength. Like Ms.Murray, a time may come when you look different or even feel different from those around you. Please don't let that be a reason to feel bad about yourself. There is so much strength and joy to be found in simply accepting and loving yourself for who you are. Because once you do, just like Ms.Murray, you'll be unstoppable." That's good advice there. So let's see what this book is all about. Okay. Ms.Murray Peters has never stopped believing her missing brother Quentin is alive. Not even when the police told her otherwise, or when she got in trouble for standing up to bullies who said he was gone for good. So when she finds a ticking briefcase in her closet containing a nomination for a summer tryout at the Bureau of Supernatural Affairs, she's certain the secretive organization holds the key to locating Quentin. If only she can wrap her head around this idea of magicians, fairies, aliens, and other supernatural creatures all being real. Now she must compete for a spot against kids who have known about magic their whole lives. No matter how hard she tries, Ms.Murray can't seem to escape their intense scrutiny and doubt, especially once her own supernaturally enhanced talent is deemed illegal. With an evil magician threatening the supernatural world and her classmates thinking she's an enemy, Ms.Murray has never felt more alone. But if she doesn't stick it out and pass the tryouts, she may never find out what happened to Quentin. Okay, that sounds awesome. That has a little bit of magical realism in there, so it looks like it's a magical story that takes place in a realistic fiction world. I'm all for that. So that is Amari and the Knight Brothers. If you're into fantasy books or magic realism, this will probably be a good book for you. Okay, so that is our January Inner Magic box. Next month, before I forget, our theme is Write It Down. And it says, whether you're documenting secret thoughts, working on a school assignment, or taking notes to solve a historical mystery, it's always best to write things down. Our February book is a captivating contemporary story with a supernatural puzzle that is sure to keep readers guessing with every twist. If you enjoyed Greystone Secrets, My Jasper June, or The Lost Girl, this is the box for you. Okay, so that'll be next month in February. Okay, you guys have waited long enough, so stay tuned for the winner of our big old giveaway box coming up next. Congratulations to our winner. I will see you guys tomorrow for Tips and Tricks Thursday. Bye.